Pronouncing silent letters. B, bomb, climb, comb, crumb, debt, doubt, dumb, lamb, limb, plumber, subtle, thumb, tomb, womb. C, ascend, ascent, crescent, descend, descent, disciple, fluorescent, muscle, obscene, resuscitate, scenario, scent, science, scissors. D, Wednesday, sandwich, handkerchief, handsome. G, align, assign, benign, campaign, champagne, cologne, consign, design, feign, foreign, gnarl, gnome, rain, sign. H, ache, archaeology, chaos, charisma, choir, echo, ghost, hour, monarchy, orchestra, psychic, scheme, school, tech. K, knack, need, knee, kneel, new, knickers, knife, night, knit, knob, knock, know, knowledge, knuckle. L, almond, balm, calf, calm, chalk, could, folk, half, salmon, should, talk, walk, would. N, autumn, column, condemn, solemn, hymn, dam. P, psychic, psychology, pneumonia, pseudonym, psychiatrist, psychotic, receipt. S, isle, island, viscount, debris. T, apostle, bristle, bustle, castle, fasten, glisten, hustle, listen, mortgage, rustle, soften, whistle, wrestle. U, beget, biscuit, build, circuit, disguise, guard, guess, guest, guile, guilt, guitar, silhouette, tongue. W, answer, sword, to, who, whole, rack, wrapper, wreck, wriggle, wrinkle, wrist, right, wrong. X, foe, Y, prayer, Z, rendezvous.